In today's video, I'm going to quickly walk you through how long eBay sellers have to ship items. This is one of the most important parts of selling on eBay because it directly affects your seller rating, delivery estimates, and overall customer satisfaction. So, let's get straight into it. Start by heading over to ebay.com and go to the customer service section, usually found at the bottom of the page. Use the search bar there to look up delivery date options for sellers. This will show you eBay's most recent guidelines for handling and shipping times. The first key term you need to know is handling time. This is the time between when the buyer pays and when you hand the package to your shipping carrier. Handling time is fully controlled by you, and buyers rely on it to know how fast their order will ship. eBay recommends setting your handling time to 2 days or less, and many successful sellers choose 1 day. Faster handling boosts buyer satisfaction and can improve your seller rating, as long as you can consistently meet it. If you offer 1 day handling, eBay simply requires the package to be scanned by the carrier by the end of the next business day. For example, if the buyer pays on Monday, the item must be scanned by Tuesday at 11:59 pm. If the order comes in on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, the deadline becomes Monday at 11:59 pm. This rule stays the same even if your carrier does weekend drop-offs. Also remember that weekends and holidays don't count toward estimated delivery dates on eBay. So even if a carrier moves packages on weekends, you shouldn't rely on that time when estimating delivery windows. And that's it. Those are the key timing rules every seller needs to know. Follow these guidelines, ship on time, and you'll keep your buyers happy and your eBay account in great standing. Happy selling!